Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the tape recorder. The tape recorder is a very convenient and cheap home entertainment device. It can be used for recording and playback of audio program including music, conversation, etc. The main part of the tape recorder are tape transport mechanism, a recording head, playback head, eraser head and microphone and also the loudspeaker. This is the structural diagram of magnetic recording. Now we are going to discuss about the principle of magnetic recording. Magnetic recording is based on the principle that certain material like iron oxide, when brought into the magnetic field, it gets magnetized and retain that magnetism permanently until altered. Sound pressure are converted into the electrical variation by the microphone. The audio output of the microphone is amplified and fed into the electromagnet, which is known as the head. There is a minute gap in electromagnet through which magnetic line cannot pass due to high reluctance of air. When a tape with magnetic material is made to pass across the gap, the line of force gets easy path to form elementary magnet. Thus, the coating of the iron oxide on the tape is magnetized in accordance with the audio current. The magnetism of iron oxide remains long time. This means sound has been recorded in the form of the varying magnetic field. This is the block diagram of tape recording system. Now, in the next slide, we can discuss the detail of this tape recording. In this slide, we are going to discuss different part of the tape recorder. The different part of the tape recorder are microphone, which is used to convert sound pressure into the equivalent electrical signal. Next one is the preamplifier. It amplifies the weak output of the microphone. Normally, its noise level is low. Next one is the processing circuit. This circuit in tape system control the gain level of the recording and also provide pre-emphasis and de-emphasis for low and high frequency signal. Next one is the driver amplifier. It gives further voltage amplification to the signal. Next one is the power amplifier. It amplifies power of the audio signal. Next one is a filter. It does not allow bias oscillator signal to go to the amplifier as it will unnecessarily get overloaded. Next one is the different head. The erase head erase previous recording, record head record audio content, play head play the audio signal. Next one is the RF oscillator which generate radio frequency wave. It has some advantages. The advantages are it can play thousands of times without degradation. The editing and the erasing are very easy. The same tape used again and again for different program. But along with some advantages, it has some disadvantages also. The life of record tape will not be as long as disc system. Response in tape system is not as much good. Copying from one tape to another is not production of playback from master copy. Already we have heard the term pre-emphasis and de-emphasis. Now we have to know what is pre-emphasis. The effect of noise and distortion has greater effect on low intensity of sound. So low intensity sound are strong to a great degree at the time of recording. This is known as the pre-emphasis. And what is de-emphasis? During the playback, it is necessary to bring back the original intensity of low and high sound, and this is known as the de-emphasis. Now, what is tape biasing? Tape biasing is the improve of fidelity of the tape recorder. There are two kinds of tape biasing. One is the AC biasing and another one is the DC biasing. The AC bias is the addition of an inaudible or high frequency signal to the audio signal. And the DC bias is the addition of direct current to the audio signal that is being recorded. Our next topic based on the difference of AC and DC biasing in the tape recorder. The AC biasing, high audio level can be afforded without distortion. It has low noise, it has magnetization effect and signal noise ratio is high. But in DC biasing, distortion occurs when audio level is high. The noise is high, no magnetization effect and signal noise ratio is low. Thank you everyone to watch this video. If you have any query, then free to contact.